I saw a book, I pulled it out.
Hello, Pastor.
Guess
Say
where
hello.
it was?
Hello.
Spirituality. I
Hello.
pulled out several books. I had to buy them. I had to know how Steve thinks, which I did. Well, Steve came. I got the opportunity to meet him personally. We stayed somewhere in Tagaytay for maybe 3 days. Had breakfast with him, and trying to figure out Steve Scott. Until finally I said to Steve, Steve, when you were introduced to me,
Wala pa kong glutathione. Maganda na ako.
Now,
Wala pa akong glutathione. Maganda na.
he's the real deal.
Mas more kung meron na.
You know what he told me? He looked at me in the eye and I remember this. He said, Mark, if you anchor yourself with Jesus, you can barely go. And it's I've met a lot of CEOs. I haven't met anybody like Steve. So cut that story short. Well, the product really worked. And it was like, well, as of now, it was an inferior product, what we have right now. But, well, our baby, first, the hospital called her Baby X or Shantina without any name, and we called her Victoria. Talking about how lives are being impacted, I'm sure that this afternoon, maybe a handful, maybe 100 would get impacted with what you hear today. So I was part of the company that Steve introduced way back in 2009.